Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use the Philips Multigroom Series 7000 trimmer. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This right here is my new Philips Multigroom Series 7000 trimmer, and I'm going to show you how to use it, okay? Now, the other Multigroom Series trimmers are going to have a similar way of being used, but this video specifically for this one, but you can probably take these instructions and apply them to other trimmers of a similar nature as well, okay? I just turned the trimmer on by accident as I was speaking, so I'm going to use that as the first part of the tutorial. Right here is the power button. This looks like a button, but it's just a thumb grip. This is the power button. To turn the trimmer on, you press it once, just like that. To turn it off, you press it again. Very simple. Press it once, press it again. On and off, that's it. The thumb grip is just there for when you're actually using it, okay? To actually remove the heads and change them, because it does come with so many different attachments, you just put your finger right here on the teeth of the attachment right here and just pry it back. So I have my thumb over here, my finger here, and I'm just gonna pry it back like that. And then you can get a different attachment and put it on, like this nose and ear hair trimmer right here, which I will be using momentarily, just like that. And that's on just like that. So now I can use this if I want to. It makes a different sound because the blades are completely different. When you want to charge it, make sure that the other end of this is plugged into the wall outlet, obviously, and then plug this into the trimmer, just like that. And you can see the light tells me that it is charging. I believe when the battery is low, it's like an orange light, if I remember correctly. Honestly, this thing holds such a great charge that the battery just like, and I charge it so often that like I never really get to see the low battery sign, okay? But I believe it is orange if the battery is low. Okay, and you can see that it is sort of illuminating and then going dark. That is letting you know that it's charging. I'm gonna unplug it now. And to use it, essentially you want to turn it on and then use it wherever you need to. So I'm going to use this actually on my ear hairs right now because I haven't trimmed them in a couple weeks, so they're due for a trimming anyways. So I'm going to turn it on, okay? And very, very balanced, I have to say. It's almost like holding a big pen, right? And then you can go ahead and you can trim whatever you need to trim. This is one of the best trimmers that I've used. Honestly, it is absolutely incredible. Just give me a second here. Let's just go ahead and do some trimming over here. Perfect, there we go, along the outside edges here. Perfect, when you want to turn it off, you just turn it off like that. I like to give mine a flip because I'm a drummer, so I always flip things. It's just what I do. And literally, I like basically never drop anything. It's crazy, but it's because I'm so used to doing this with drumsticks. My drums are back over here, just so you can see. They're back in there, my electronic drums. And yes, I have my drums in the bathroom. This was a sauna. I converted it to a drum room because I use the sauna at the gym, so I didn't need a sauna at home. Anyways, with that being said, that's how to use this trimmer. Really, really easy. I showed you how to charge it, how to turn it on and off, how to remove and sort of attach different heads and different attachments. And that's basically it, the charging light. There's really nothing else to it. Cleaning it is very simple. There's an instruction manual. You just basically rinse it under tap water once it's powered off and unplug from the charger. So no power. Power it off and unplug it from the charger, so there's no power to it. Rinse it under tap water, let it dry, can't go wrong. And it comes with a little cleaning brush that I put somewhere else. And you can use this to clean off the various heads of the trimmer as well. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.